Use the key to open the battery cover. Take out the battery. Press and hold the power on button for 15 seconds to release the residual electrical energy. Use a 2.5mm hex key to unscrew the 4 screws that fix the decorative shell of the wiring port. Disconnect the small battery terminal. Disconnect the DC-DC wire harness terminal. Use an 8mm hex key to loosen the crank screw. Screw in the crankshaft puller. Use a 16mm wrench to turn in the direction of the front of the vehicle and remove the crank. Use a 3mm hex key to remove the 3 screws that fix the chain cover. Remove the chain cover. Use a 2.5mm hex key to unscrew the screws that fix the DCDC. Take out the DCDC. Install the DCDC back with the screw holes facing inwards. Tighten the fixing screws. Install the chain cover. Tighten the 3 fixing screws. Install the cranks on both sides in opposite directions along the same straight line. Apply thread locking adhesive to the crank screw. Tighten the screw. Confirm that it rotates normally. Reinsert the DC-DC wire harness terminal. Plug back the small battery terminal. Reinstall the small battery. Tighten the 4 fixing screws. Reinstall the battery and the cover plate.